Welcome to our channel. If you have a TD Bank Rewards card and want to activate it while claiming your reward points, follow this quick guide to start earning and redeeming benefits. Step 1. Visit the TD Bank website at tdbank.com or open the TD Bank mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have your new rewards card handy. Step 2. Log into your TD Bank online banking account using your username and password. If you haven't registered for online banking yet, click Enroll Now and follow the registration steps. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts section and locate your new TD Bank Rewards card. Click on the card to view its details and options. Step 4. Look for an Activate Card button or link on the card details page. Click on it to begin the activation process for your rewards card. Step 5. Enter the required verification information, which may include the last 4 digits of your card number, the CVV security code, or other personal identifiers to confirm your identity. Step 6. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation. You may be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions of the TD Bank Rewards program. Step 7. Once activated, navigate to the TD Bank Rewards section of your account. Here, you can view your current point balance, track earning opportunities, and explore redemption options. Step 8. To claim your points, browse the rewards catalog and select the items or benefits you want to redeem. Follow the checkout process to use your points for travel, merchandise, cashback, or gift cards. Your card is now active and earning rewards on every eligible purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.